Hi everyone, welcome to the Roadside Realities channel. Today, we focus on the risks of driving with worn-out tires. Ensuring everyone's safety on the road is our priority. Let's get started. The container truck lost its brakes, causing a serious accident. The container truck hit the car, causing it to veer off the road with serious consequences. Why did the driver decide to drive the wrong way so irrationally? The car was going too fast, causing a serious collision. The car lost its brakes and swerved across the road with serious consequences. Two container trucks dragging each other on the road caused serious consequences. Hope the driver is okay. Both container trucks didn't control their speed, leading to this incident. The overturned car skidded and caught fire along a long stretch of road. The accident left many haunting memories for the driver. The truck caused significant damage to several vehicles on the roadside. The car lost balance and overturned onto the roadside, possibly due to the darkness. The car was going too fast and caused an accident. Hopefully, the driver is okay. The train couldn't stop in time, and the container truck couldn't pass in time. The car kept colliding with both sides of the road, suffering severe damage. The car lost its brakes and collided with several vehicles in front. The car lost control and swerved into the adjacent road, causing a collision. The driver should learn from this and drive slower in the future. The container truck lost control, veered off the road, and overturned shortly after. The car caused a chain reaction accident with the vehicles in front. Hopefully, both drivers will learn from this accident. The car lost control and crashed into the barrier, leaving serious consequences. The car crashed into the underside of the container truck. Luckily, everyone was okay. The car lost control and veered off the road, leaving terrible consequences. After a chase, the car was finally forced to stop. The terrible consequences caused by a car that lost its brakes. The car lost its brakes and crashed into the barriers on both sides of the road. Really dangerous. The car lost control and finally stopped after crashing into the roadside barrier. The driver tried, but it was too late. The car was hit from behind and couldn't handle anything. Both drivers should pay more attention to their speed while driving. The close distance caused the collision to happen. Perhaps the driver was going a bit too fast, so he couldn't turn in time. This is probably a profound lesson for the driver. The driver should focus more on observing while driving. The driver will feel very regretful when he sees the consequences on his car. Maybe it was too dark, so the driver couldn't see the obstacle in front. Perhaps the driver wasn't focused, which is why the car veered off the road. The strong collision caused damage to the container truck, though it was minor. The car lost its brakes and crashed straight into a utility pole. Fortunately, the driver is okay. How could the driver crash at such a close distance? The consequence of overtaking without observing. Everything was fine until the rear of the car got stuck. Another collision caused by the driver not observing the road. Maybe the driver moved intentionally like that.